Hey YouTube, it's your boy again, Ground and Air, coming at you with another video of an unboxing. I got my new gimbal in. The old one, the Feiyu-Tech one, wasn't any good. Software was glitchy. It was just really bad. So I got a new one in. We're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed and see what it's all about. Wow, this one's a whole lot smaller than that Feiyu-Tech. Show you this real quick. Came with a really nice microfiber cleaning cloth, and that is the seller's name that I ordered this from. Put that to the side. I'll go ahead and get this package opened up. Talk about zero tolerance. Alright. Well, it has a diagram of how you have to fold it out and get everything hooked up, turn your phone on. And we'll see what's in here. Ooh, nice. Got a nice carrying bag for it. And your owner's manual, operator's guide. Alright, so it looks like to start off with, we have a nice tripod, quarter turn on it. Pretty solid. Feels good in the hand. We got a USB to Type-C charging cord. Looks like we have a strap for you to put on it so you don't drop it. And then the show stopper, if I can get it out of the box, is the gimbal itself. Super compact and nice. Did a lot of reviews on it. It has a lot of nice features, including this wheel here that allows you to focus your camera. We'll go ahead and flip it up. That gets it ready there, and looks like this one here turns this way. Okay, and then this one turns that way. So you have one axis here, one axis here, and then this turns as well. Let's go ahead and see about putting a phone in it. See what this is all about. What does that say? It says no load turn on off is prohibited. Okay, well, it makes sense. If you don't have a load in it, you cannot turn it on or off, because then it's going to go all wonky. So I understand that. We'll go ahead and pull the sticker off. Ooh, got a nice Nice spring load to it. And we'll go ahead and put that in there. Holds my little phone just great. Alright, well, she's not very stable there, so we're going to scoot it over some. That thing's got a grip on it. Scoot it over some, and now it's going down the other way. See how it's not falling down as easy now? You want to try to get it as balanced as possible, because the more balanced it is, the less that motor has to work and the less battery it's going to use to try to stabilize your phone. Look at that. I can put it there and it almost wants to stay. There we go. Just barely. So we're going to call that good, and we're going to go ahead and turn the power button on. So there is the follow me mode. Wherever I take it, it points to. There is lock mode. There is POV. You twist it and the phone will go wherever you're twisting your wrist to. And there's pan follow, which is, it will twist even more. That's crazy. Well, let's look at it with the tripod here. Tripod makes this a lot nicer. You can spin the camera around where you need it. You can tilt it upward. You can tilt it downward, which is going to make doing these videos a whole lot easier. Being able to unbox stuff and not have a stationary GoPro mounted. Instead, I will have this. It's pretty nice. It's got a good feel to it. We'll go ahead and power it. I'll show you this before I power it down. As you can see there, it's got a nice LCD or LED screen for your display. I'm hoping that you can see this because I have no way of knowing if you can or can't. Hint the reason why I need a new camera. It does have your joystick, which allows you to turn the camera left, right, up, down, and if you can see that, that is a pan follow. You push it, it goes to follow mode. Push it again, it goes to lock mode. Push it again, and that goes to POV. And you push it again, and it goes back to pan follow. You have a power button, you have a record button to start and stop recordings, or to take a picture if you are in picture mode on your phone. You have the buttons here to zoom in and out, and this is a focus wheel to focus your camera, whether it be in video or picture, to really fine-tune, and you can look at two different objects and focus on one and then focus on the other one, and this one will become out of focus. It's really nice feature on it. I really appreciate that. I think that's going to be really nice for close-up pictures. Overall, I think it's going to be a really nice addition to my setup. We'll get some video for you. Oh, I will show you this. It does have the Type-C charging port here. I haven't downloaded the app yet. I'm going to get the app downloaded. I'm going to take it out and see what all it can do. Definitely post up some more videos of it. But like I said, I believe this is going to be a really nice addition to my camera gear and make my videos a whole lot easier, a lot more stable, and a lot less frustrating for you guys to have to watch them. This is Ground and Air, and I'm out.